Hapon ko sa inyong lahat. Our esteemed guest from the City Government of Makati, led by our beloved Mayor, Mayor Andy Binay, Congressman Luis Campos, Congressman Kim Perea, Vice Mayor Monique Lagdanillo, our public and private sector partners, fellow healthcare professionals, friends, consortium of specialists, my family, and everyone who made it to make time to join us. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Standing here today feels very pride and dignity. 3 years ago, this very moment was just a vision. Isang pangarap na parang ang hirap paabot. We imagine the hospital that redefines care, not just in the way we treat illness, but in the way we treat people. A place where innovation thrives, technology works, hand in hand with compassion, every patient feels truly seen, heard, and valued. We imagine a model that had never been done before in healthcare. Public-private partnership between Life Nurture Incorporated and the city government of Makati. It was untested, unfamiliar, and yes, risky. But what we lacked in precedent, we made up for faith in our mission. The mission is to bring world-class, accessible, and people-first healthcare. And so we went to work with grit, determination, and a relentless belief that kung gusto may paraan. Today, Makati Life Medical Center stands not just a state-of-the-art facility, but as a symbol of innovation and resourcefulness. We have built more than a hospital. We built a promise that every Makati resident, every Filipino will receive care that is modern, dignified, and rooted in humanity. Our partners from the City Government of Makati, salamat po sa tiwala, suporta, at sa paniniwala ng nakatapos ang hospital. Ito'y magiging isang modelo. I would say it's a new way of doing healthcare, providing healthcare to the community. This would not have been possible without your leadership and your commitment to your constituents. To our team, our doctors, nurses, support staff, you are the heart of Makati Life. Hindi magiging ganito kakanta ang ating simula kung wala kang dedikasyon at sakripisyo. Your work matters. Your presence matters. You are changing lives. To the construction, design, and management team led by Sherman Construction Consolidated, First William, to DCI, JC Lopez, and to our equipment suppliers, ISO Mindray Philippines, Olympus Philippines, Olympus Singapore, Basenet, Philips Imaging, ASCOM, BTL, we have UIH and CJNI, Miamed, Aerocom, Taki Standard, RXTI, Unilab. I saw the Unilab leadership team. I think they are upstairs. Thank you very much for this wonderful building and for the modern integrated equipment that you have given to Makati Life. And we appreciate the patience. To our financial supporters, Development Bank of the Philippines, Land Bank of the Philippines, Union Bank of the Philippines, thank you for supporting this socially impactful project. Please continue to believe in this project. To GIB Capital for working tirelessly in formulating and explaining our narrative in advance. To our consortium members, you know who you are. Those who from day one believed and refused to give up the dream, without her undying faith, belief, and support, this project would not have been at least.